In this video we're going to look at division of complex numbers. Okay, just before we do, I just want to look at very quickly the complex conjugate of a number. We talked about it in the multiplication. Complex conjugate of a number is written like this, just a little line across the z. So for example, if z is 3 plus 4i, well then the complex conjugate of z is 3 minus 4i. We just changed the sign of the imaginary part. So likewise, if z was minus 2 minus 3i, well the complex conjugate of that would be minus 2 plus 3i. Okay, here's our question. Here it is. z1 is 3 plus 4i, z2 is 2 minus 5i. Find z1 divided by z2. Okay. Here's how we approach it. z1 is 3 plus 4i, z2 is 2 minus 5i. Okay, and all we do in the division of complex numbers is we multiply both the numerator, just the top, and the denominator by the complex conjugate of the denominator. Okay, so you just need to know that. So 3 plus 4i over 2 minus 5i, and we multiply both then with the complex conjugate at the bottom, which in this case is 2 plus 5i and 2 plus 5i. Right, so the way I work it then is I separate it. I do the top first, and that is 3 plus 4i multiplied by 2 plus 5i. So 3 by 2 is 6. 3 by plus 5i plus 15i. 4i by 2 plus 8i. 4i by 5i plus 20i squared, which will give me 6 plus 23i minus 20, which will be minus 14 plus 23i. So there is the top. And then the bottom. Remember, we're multiplying a complex number by its conjugate, its complex conjugate, so therefore our answer should be a real number. Right, we have 2 minus 5i multiplied by 2 plus 5i. 2 by 2 is 4, 2 by 5i plus 10i, minus 5i by 2 minus 10i, minus 5i by plus 10i is minus 25i squared. So that's 4, the 10i's cancel, and then we have an I squared, so we change the sign in front of the 25, drop the I squared. 4 plus 25, 29. Okay, so we're done. We just have to put it back together now. Keep the top bit back on top, which is the minus 14 plus 23i, all over 29. Okay, and then just to simplify it, we keep our real parts together, which will be minus 14 over 29. And then likewise we do our 23i, so it's plus 23 over 29, the I to the side. So we always finish it off like that. Okay, just take a minute there if you want to see how I actually finish this off. Okay, I just split it into the real part and the imaginary part. So minus 14 over 29 plus 23 over 29 with the I out here. Okay, thanks.